This is Stanley. Stanley is trying to put wood on the lathe. Stanley doesn't quite know what to do. First stop, Stanley needs to go to the tool closet. He needs to gather the punch press and the square tool. Good job, Stanley. Now, Stanley will need wood, pencil, the square tool, the punch press, and finally, glasses. Stanley now needs to take the square tool and the pencil and line up the corners of the square tool to draw a diagonal across the block. Good job, Stanley. Now repeat this process to make an X on top of the block. Stanley now needs to pick up the punch press. He will take this and make a dent. He now needs to repeat this process to the other end of the wood. Stanley will also need a face shield. Now to the lathe. Stanley now needs to identify the headstock, the tailstock, the tensioning wheel, and the tool rest. Stanley needs to line up on one end of the wood to the headstock. He'll now push the tailstock to line it up to the other dent, and he'll push the tensioning wheel. Good job, Stanley.